Welcome to Devices Setup channel where we help you resolve issues related to different devices and gadgets. And today we will set up Opticover Wi-Fi extender. So you can set it up via browser and via WPS. So let's start with the browser setup first. So first and foremost, plug your Opticover extender near your router and wait for the power LED to turn stable. Now, on your phone or computer, go to the Wi-Fi list and look for wireless N or Opticover network name. You need to connect to this network. Once connected, the setup window will pop up automatically. And if it doesn't, then open a browser on the very same device and in the URL type 192.168.10.1 or type ap.setup and it will take you to the setup page. On the setup page, follow the on-screen instructions and then it will ask you to choose the network name that you want to extend. So here it is simply asking you to select your router's network SSID that you want to extend and put its password for confirmation and just save the settings. Now you will be able to see the newly set up network name in your Wi-Fi list. By default, the extended network name will come up as your home network name underscore ext. So this ext at the end signifies the extended network and by default the password will be same as your router's Wi-Fi password. So the next method to set up the Opticover Wi-Fi extender is via WPS. In this method, make sure both your router and extender are plugged in the same room. Now, first press the WPS button on the router and within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Opticover Wi-Fi range extender. So the solid Wi-Fi or internet LED on the extender will confirm that the WPS connection is successful and you will be able to find the extended network name in your Wi-Fi list. So this is how you can set up your Opticover Wi-Fi extender. If you find this video useful, do kindly hit like and subscribe button. Also, if you want video on any specific topic, then do let us know in the comment section. Also, we do provide independent support, so if you need help with any device like computer, printer, cameras, router, then get in touch with our representative on our official website devicessetup.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.